Hello friends. In this session, we will understand how do we make a cockroach paint. Yes, we are going to make the cockroach paint, and this is one of the very common exercises that school kids and at the beginner level the kids will be asked to do, and even whomever wants to learn will try out all these kind of exercises in the beginning. So we are going to see that, and it's pretty interesting. So what do we do now? As usual, we need a flag, and the flag is the first step that we have here, and after that we have an option called pen, and it is available here, and you can see that the pen options are available. It can be erase all, stamp, pen down, pen up, set pen color to. All these options are available, and I am taking pen down. You are going to let the cockroach pen down something. You are going to let cockroach write something. That's exactly what we are trying to do. And then inside the forever loop, I have already told you what is forever. It will keep doing that forever, and we first wait for 0.01 seconds, and then we move for 100 steps. We wait for 0.01 seconds again. We change the color, pen color, by 10. It will go to a different color, so that after 0.01 seconds you can understand that the color of the writing, the pattern of the cockroach writing will change. And then it has to bounce when it is on the edge. If on the edge, it has to bounce back. And to add some fun factor to it, now we are having the start sound, and we are including the pop, and then we are also turning the cockroach for 15 degrees, and all this will be in loop, and we are going to see how exactly the same works right now. You can see that all these blocks are well explained to you, so I'm skipping the demo part of it. I'm skipping the explanation part of it. We'll go to the demo right away, and you will see how exactly things work. And make sure that you know each and every block available in the left hand side. The blocks, the variables, the operators, sensing, all those will be very helpful. And the moment you click green button, I mean the green flag right now, you can see the cockroach doing its work. That's it. The cockroach started working, and it's creating some nice patterns. Though we cannot understand it, it's a painting work done by the cockroach, and I hope you like it. It's very simple, and you can see that the color of the pen is getting changed frequently as we have specified. And when it goes to the border, it gets bounced back to the normal position, and the turn is also done 15 degrees every time. You can see that it's all done perfectly, and this is a precise example of how do we create patterns with some simple examples. Thank you very much for following my channel and content. If you have any queries, suggestions, inputs, please go ahead and type it in the comment section. Thank you.